let me just...
He's one of the luckiest coaches. The goal that they scored is offside.
Okay, I actually wanted us to clarify that. I want us to take a look at it once again, because...
The last person to touch it is Castro.
I know that it was a major talking point throughout the game.
It makes the decision. We play under stress because they benefited from the linesman's mistake.
All right, let's take a look at it once again. We saw that, and in the studio, we looked at it from so many different angles. The trajectory of the ball doesn't seem to change. It seems as if it doesn't touch his ball. Very close.
Carol, do we want to justify how many times Kaizer Chiefs win with the referee's mistakes?
But if you look at what transpired here today, can you give the benefit of the doubt to the assistant referee who sees it first time?
I'll give a benefit of the doubt if you play against Amazulu, Golden Arrows, or anybody. Okay, against Kaizer Chiefs, I give no space. There's no benefit of the doubt to Kaizer Chiefs because they benefited a lot.
Now, let's talk about how your team played, trying to get them back into the game. You saw the number of opportunities that they missed, chance after chance. Did you think the tactics were spot on from your side today?
No, if the tactics are not right, we can't create all those opportunities we have created. If the tactics were not right, then they could have easily scored the 4 goals they scored in FNB. The tactics were right. We will play until the next day. We don't score. We miss chances, we miss chances, we miss chances. We're a little bit unlucky, or we can say they were lucky. We didn't put one inside to change the game.
Going into the break, what is it that you said to your Chargers for them to keep pushing?
No, we keep playing, we keep fighting, we keep going to the sides, on the 2v1s on the sides. Those are the opportunities. Carol, we don't have to beat Kaizer Chiefs to win the league. Excuse me. I mean, there's 24 games, 23 games for us left. It's okay. We can lose. So what?
So now you're looking on to the next game. What are you going to be focusing on now to make sure that you get the 3 points in the next game, having looked at how your team performed today?
No, the team plays well. The team plays well. Against Highlands, was a thorn in the flesh. We don't have the legs at the end because they were resting when we were playing on Wednesday. And we play in Highlands, and I think you know, that's why you don't have a Tembazwane today. You know, so it's one of those. It's okay, we accept we lost. There's no issue. We keep going. Yes, maybe we score 5 like we scored against Amazulu. So life goes on. I mean, even Man City loses. So what? No, let's not make it a big issue. The boys have played well, they did well, they created chances. We didn't take the chances. It's just that it's a derby, it's a big game. Yeah, it's only that. But when they benefit, I will say, they benefit from referees' mistakes. I don't know if we are back to the 80s, but all I'm just saying, they're benefiting from the referee's mistake. Even if it doesn't look that much of an offside or what, when it's Kaizer Chiefs, buckle up.